Is it time to buy or sell SoFi stock? In this video, we're diving deep into SoFi. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 23rd of April, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 23rd of April, 2025, our system has rated SoFi as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.58. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this period. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to see how it develops in the coming days. The stock currently resides at the upper portion of a very broad and declining trend in the short term. This typically presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back toward the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $12.15 would initially indicate a slower rate of decline, but it may also signal the beginning of a trend shift. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 34% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 52.64% to negative 31.98%. In terms of the long term, our 12-month analysis projects a change of about 89.70%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 59.77% to 230.21% over the next year. In today's terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $18.76 and $38.77. Our latest daily update for SoFi includes the headline, SoFi stock upgraded to buy candidate. The SoFi stock price gained 4.17% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 23rd of April, in the year 2025, rising from $11.27 to $11.74. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 6.10%, with a low of $11.64 and a high of $12.35. The price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 23.58% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume has also increased alongside the price, which serves as a positive technical indicator. In total, 5 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day. Overall, 56 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $654.49 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $18.42, while the lowest price was $6.01. Currently, the price stands 36.26% or $6.68 below the 52-week high and 58.46% or $16.52 below the all-time high on the 1st of February in the year 2021, when the price peaked at $28.26. Recent developments for SoFi Technologies, symbol SOFI, showcase significant milestones that could positively impact its stock price. A major highlight includes a $5 billion loan platform deal that allows SoFi to expand its offerings while minimizing balance sheet risks. This strategic move is likely to boost investor confidence and stimulate short-term stock appreciation. Additionally, SoFi reported securing $3.2 billion in new loan funding, with total third-party commitments now exceeding $5 billion. This expansion in the loan platform business is pivotal, as it indicates a strong demand for SoFi's services and the efficiency of its operations, contributing to overall revenue growth. The non-lending segments have also shown impressive performance, driving 47% of 2024 revenue, up from 38% in 2023. As the company approaches its earnings report, Wall Street anticipates earnings growth, although there are concerns regarding the combination of essential factors for exceeding expectations. Nevertheless, SoFi's established market position, robust financial health, and innovative product lineup support a favorable outlook for long-term stock value. Overall, these developments suggest a bullish sentiment among investors, potentially leading to a sustained increase in SoFi's stock price in both the short and long term. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 14th of January 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned SOFI a buy rating accompanied by a hold action. On Friday, the 3rd of January 2025, it was reported that Deutsche Bank assigned SOFI a hold rating, also with a hold action. On Thursday, the 19th of December 2024, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned SOFI an underweight rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 10th of December 2024, it was reported that Jefferies assigned SOFI a buy rating along with a hold action. On Monday, the 9th of December 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned SOFI an underperform rating with a downgrade action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to SoFi stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio also receives a strong sell rating. However, for return on investment, the analysts have issued a buy recommendation for the stock. The following signals have been identified for SoFi. The chart today shows mostly positive signals. SoFi stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, offering a favorable forecast. However, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, as the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. Should there be any downward corrections, some support is expected at the levels of $11.02 and $11.67. A decline below either of these levels will generate sell signals. A buy signal was triggered from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, April 8, 2025, and so far, the stock has increased by 23.58%. Further upward movement is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. The rising volume alongside the price is regarded as a positive technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal, pivots, buy signal from 11 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 37 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 55 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 38 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 32 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SoFi. SoFi finds support from accumulated volume at $11.39. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when this support is tested. The stock exhibits significant daily movement, indicating volatility, and with a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is categorized as high risk. Over the last day, the stock experienced a movement of $0.71 between its high and low, which equates to 6.1%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 5.43%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for SoFi, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This ratio is considered relatively normal, frequently observed in companies with established histories or stable revenue streams. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 29th of April, 2025. Analysts have consensus estimates set at 3 cents. Keep a close watch on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SoFi. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SoFi is at $13.09. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this might be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SOFI encounters its first support level at $11.39. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for SOFI from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 20th of March, 2025, Keo Kelly executed an insider sale of 11,181 shares of common stock. On the same day, Rishal Jeremy performed an insider sale of 68,625 shares of common stock. On the 14th of March, 2025, Simcox Stephen conducted an insider sale of 71,353 shares of restricted stock units. Also on the 14th of March, Simcox Stephen made an insider purchase of 71,353 shares of common stock. On the 17th of March, 2025, Simcox Stephen executed an insider sale of 24,420 shares of common stock. Based on the most recent 100 insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of -49.998. In total, insiders purchased 10,529,415 shares and sold 34,895,385 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $11.26, reflecting a decrease of 4.06%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, which contributes to a higher risk profile. Currently, there is a buy signal indicated by a pivot bottom established 10 days ago. Is SOFI stock a good buy? Several short-term signals are indicating positivity. Even though the stock is in a downward trend, we believe that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for the stock to perform well in the near future. Our analysis has been upgraded since the last evaluation, moving from a hold or accumulate recommendation to a buy suggestion. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 24th of April, we anticipate that SOFI will open higher by 17 cents and begin trading at $11.91. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. It is important that you do not base your investment choices solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from everyone here at StockInvest.